Is there a connection between sciatica and vertigo? Today I'm going to look to answer that question as a part of our video. I'm Dr. Greg Gersten, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to live amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. If this is something that you're interested in and like, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating content to help you live that awesome, fantastic life. So now, is sciatica connected to vertigo, or is vertigo connected to sciatica? And in reality, the answer is no. This is actually a viewer question. So if you have questions, write them down below. I may do a video for them. Sciatica and vertigo are not typically connected. However, if you've got stress on your spinal cord, it can wind up affecting the top and impacting dizziness and vertigo, and it can affect the bottom and affect the nerves that go down your leg and out to your feet. So for many people who have problems with sciatica, they then also have problems with vertigo. Sciatica typically occurs earlier in life and changes to this lumbar spine chair earlier enough in life, and later on we see more changes that relate to vertigo. If you're having problems with either of them, the method to figure out the next best step for you is for us to hop on a discovery call. This way we can unpack some of the luggage that you've been carrying around for a long time, figure out what is your next best step to getting both of these problems resolved and living an amazing, fantastic life. If you've got questions about this, write down below. I'll look forward to helping you and seeing you regain your health as well.